Étudiante, bienvenue notre classe. Okay, so today we are going to do leçon septième enchanté zéro les légumes. Légumes. Okay. Hey Paul, do you know that tomatoes are the most consumed vegetable in France? Oh, that's why the French always have salad in their meals menus. Okay. Let's read this chapter lay legume. So in the last chapter, that was the sixth chapter of this book, we did le wheat, right? And I hope you learned that lesson. Now here, legume. Let's learn. C'est parti. Un poivron. Un poivron vert. So its color is vert. Okay. Un poivron vert. Des aubergines, लेजो करेंगे साउंड को. Des aubergines femina, here it is masculin. Une tomate femina. Un chou-fleur. Un concombre. Un noino. Un oignon. Okay. Des haricots. Des épinards. Une carotte. Des petites pois. Masculin. Masculin, masculin. Une pomme de terre. Une pomme de terre. Page numéro 64. Now, when you are doing this, please pause the video and learn it thoroughly. Okay, close your eyes and imagine un poivron vert. Okay, des aubergines. So, when like it's not learned, don't go forward. Okay, learn it thoroughly. The next is the repeated one. We have already done this concept. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Remember, in the I think starting beginning lessons we did. Qu'est-ce que c'est? So whenever you want to say what is this, what is that, what are these, what are those, there are no different like sentences for all these. One word only for singulier, for plural, just one word, one sentence. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Now, this boy is asking to her, Qu'est-ce que c'est? The response is c'est to panier. We have already done this, okay? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Again, now see the things are plural. Yes? Now the say becomes ce sont. Let's revise one more time. Okay, we will not do this. We already know this concept. Just learn say and the plural is ce sont. So when with say we are using un or une, but with ce sont on va utiliser they. Right? The question remains same. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Let's do practice. So again, one more time. Qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est tout panier. C'est tout panier. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Ce sont des légumes. Ce sont des légumes. C'est une tomate. C'est plural. Ce sont une plural des tomates plural S. Okay? Ce sont des tomates. Right? C'est un concombre. Ce sont en plural des concombres avec S. Ce sont des concombres. Fine. Let's move next. Page numéro 65. Sorry. Next is qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Okay, that also we have done in the previous. Remember what's on the table of Paul? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a sur le table de Paul? We did it, I think, fourth or fifth lesson. You can revise. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? So again, this is a recap. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a means इसमें क्या है? What's in that? After that, you will write down the name of the thing. Like this, qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le panier? Okay? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le panier? So it is dans इसके बीच में in the this is panier. This thing, right? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le panier? Now she's saying il y a des légumes dans le panier. So what's in the panier? Des légumes. How to say il y a des légumes dans le panier? Okay. Let's see what's in that. So in collectively, she said legume. Here we do the segregation. Ilia, un concombre. Ilia, une pomme de terre. In it, it seems like two, but let's see, une pomme de terre. Here it is talking about masculin, un, ilia, une femina, une pomme de terre. Il y a des carottes dans le panier. So, des carottes. Un, une pluriel des carottes dans le panier. Okay. Il y a des pommes rouges. So, if you want to say the color of that particular thing, so see how to say il y a des pommes. Now, see the pomme rouge. Which color it is? Rouge. Now, pomme is plural. They is plural. My cooler is also plural. You have to make plural your color. Ilia in pomme vert. Now, this is the color vert. Now, see, it is singular. Okay, Ilia une pomme vert. Okay, ce sont des pommes. In collectively, we can say these are apples, ce sont des pommes. But if we talk about particulars, ce sont les pommes rouges. So here it is defining. That's why we are using les. Ce sont les pommes rouges. C'est la pomme verte. So if you are like, see the difference. If you are just saying c'est une pomme, c'est une pomme, undefined. That means I'm using indefinite article une. C'est une pomme, right? But here it is talking about the color. It means we are talking about the particular, means definite, right? That's why we are here, we are using definite article. Now it becomes c'est la pomme verte. Okay, so here it is defined, here it is defined. That's why we are using le, la. Why? Because here it is defined. So here it is definite article we are using. But here it is random. So the poem. So this is like, okay, we don't know much about this. So here we are using indefinite article. So they poem. Okay, this article we have, oh sorry, these are the phrases which we have already done. Casquilia and Ilia. The response is we will use this Ilia. Page numero 66. Okay, le vocabulaire. Again, we have already seen the picture, so I told you that when you are learning those with the images, then there is no need of English translation, right? Right now, I hope you have learned it from the previous page. If not, then pause the video and revise it, and then I will say these words. You just close your eyes and imagine those pictures. If that picture has no image in your mind, then please pause the video and learn those vocabulary of vegetables. Let's start. Dans le panier. Now imagine panier, dans le panier, right? Les épinards, les haricots, les légumes, les petites pois, un concombre, un chou-fleur, un oignon, un poivron vert, une aubergine, une carotte, une pomme de terre, une tomate, une tomate. Okay, fine. So it is done here, right? Now see, just memorize masculine, masculine, masculine. Okay, so these are the vocabulary. You can still not learn, then go back, learn it, and then again close your eyes and just say these words and imagine those pictures. Okay, fine. Let's move to the next. Les exercices. Okay. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Okay, one more thing I want to tell you. See here, don't be confused. Here it is using le. Here it is using yunde. That's fine because it is related to the vocabulary, right? Here it is no usage, but I told you that when you have to use your article definite or article indefinite. This is the explanation. When you definite about that, you are talking about the same thing, or you are explaining about something where it is definite, you will use la, la, le, l apostrophe. But when it is not, they. But in the vocabulary, it is just written over there. So don't confuse. Learn them by this so that you can learn that is masculine or feminine. Okay, let's do this. Okay, now we will do this one. Even from the test. So, guys, what you will do, students, don't see the exercise. First of all, solve by yourself. Okay, and then what you have to do, then check it with me, right? So, first of all, do it by yourself. Now, this is the concombre, the tomate, plural. We know the carrot, des épinards. Ok, des épinards. Page numéro 67. 67. Trouvez les mots. No, this word I think you have seen many times. Trouvez les words. What? Carotte, chou, fleur, haricot, concombre, oignon, oignon, and c'est-à-dire tomate. D'accord? Relier les colonnes. Right? Chou-fleur, un concombre, un poivron vert, une pomme de terre, une carotte, une carotte, page numéro 68. 68. Remplissez. Remplissez les blancs avec C ou ce. Si, pluriel, ce sont des tomates. Singulier, c'est une. Ce sont des épinards, c'est des cheveux. Un et une D. Remplissez les blancs avec un et une D. Voilà, des oignons. C'est une tomate. Voilà, un poivron rouge et des poivrons verts. Ce sont des concombres. Voilà, des haricots verts. Okay, now here again. In the previous, what we did, because it is particular, right? Because this is the exercise, it is giving me this indication. Otherwise, student, it is the particular one we can replace like lay, low. But here it is the indication. I don't know why it is. I'm solving this according to this indication. Okay. So according to this, we do not have the option of lolale. So I'm filling this one. Okay. Otherwise, because here it is particular, le poivre rouge. So you can fill le poivre rouge. See, vert, les poivrons verts. Okay, and here les haricots wet. So it is controversial. I don't know like whether your teacher did this correction or not. But if you are doing this one, then the previous one is okay. But if your teacher has told you like using this, then you can use this one. No problem at all. Écoutez et écrivez. That is a listening activity. Show the role. Here, who's at marchand? Marchand means the person who sells vegetables. Okay, legume. The person who vende les légumes. So, vous êtes marchand. आप क्या है marchand? You are the seller. Seller किस चीज के? Legume, right? A client vient. So, a client comes. क्यों आता है वो आपके पास? Why he comes? Acheter les légumes et les fruits. Jouer la sienne avec votre camarade. So, you will do this role play with your Camarade, I told you earlier, the kids are studying, there is a group. So whosoever is like in your class, all those are your camarads. Okay? Page numero 69. Okay, so yeah, here we will just do the numbers. See, 60. Now, what is 60? See, we will not say 60 is 60. No, you will just see the picture 60 like this. 60. Okay, then you will talk about 61. 61. Just a second. 61. So it is like 60. Okay, 60. After this, just repeat this one. 62. Okay, see here, the numbering is going on. You learn 1, 2, 3, 4. 62. 63. Okay, 64. So I'm just teaching this one, which we have done these pages, so that whenever you open your page, please say the numbers. Okay? See, now you know Suason. See the page numero Suason 4, Suason 5, Suason 6, Suason 7, Suason 8, et Suason 9. Okay, so just these are the numberings. What is next? 65. Okay, 66, 67, 68, 68, 69. Okay, next numbering we will learn in next pages in the like lesson. So this is till the next class. Just memorize this counting, the soixante, soixante. Okay, so students, this is Enchanté Zero, lesson 7 p.m. I hope you like this video. And one more thing, if you are doing your exam practice, okay, for your March or for your December, please write in the comment box, especially the school kids. If you have any problem, right, you can write in the comment box. I'll make a video on that particular topic which you find a problem in understanding in your like by yourself. Okay, but you have to like comment me or message me. Okay, my phone number is given over there as well. So you can even WhatsApp me what is the problem. I'll make the video. And if you have solved any assignment, okay, anything, I'll check it. Just send me the your like doubts in which you have problem, and I'll make a complete video on that in which your queries are entertained or addressed. Okay, thank you so much, and please like, subscribe, and share. And it really gives me motivation to make such videos. And I really feel okay. So I'm getting the comments or the like people are sharing. That means my videos are useful for the students. Okay, thank you so much. Au revoir, à bientôt. Merci beaucoup.